Dr. Trevor Lascelles Anthony Dixon for contribution to healthcare and education through the Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home Foundation, the Jaja Foundation.
Dr. Dixon is a visionary leader, humanitarian and philanthropist whose unwavering commitment to healthcare, education and community welfare has transformed the lives of countless Jamaicans. He founded the Jamaica Handheld Ultrasound Project, providing portable ultrasound devices and training to public hospitals to improve diagnostic care.